Namaste, I'm JVN Dr. Sapna Gehlot and the module name is Political Theory. The subject name is Justice and the discipline is Humanities Social Science. Justice. Meaning and types of justice. Justice. When it comes to the meaning and types of justice, we can say that justice is the most important and the most discussed objective of the state and society. It is the basis of orderly human living. Justice demands the regulation of selfish actions of people for securing a fair distribution, equal treatment of equals, and proportionate and just rewards for all. It stands for harmony between individual interest and the interest of society. Justice is a central importance of political theory. In defending or opposing laws, policies, decisions, and actions of government, appeals are made in the name of justice. Persons involved in every agitation for securing their interest always raise the slogan, "We want justice." All civil rights movements are essentially movements for justice. Justice stands for rule of law, absence of arbitrariness, and a system of equal rights, freedoms, and opportunities for all in society. In fact, justice stands recognized as the first virtue or ideal or objective to be secure. In its preamble, the Constitution of India gives first priority to the securing of social, economic, and political justice for its people. In contemporary times, justice stands conceptualized basically as social justice. Justice meaning and definition. Justice is a complex concept and touches almost every aspect of the human life. The word justice has been derived from the Latin word junger, means to bind or to the together. The word jus also means tie or bond. In this way, justice can be defined as a system in which men are tied or joined in a close relationship. Justice seeks to harmonize different values and to organize upon it all human relations. As such, justice means bonding or joining or organizing people together into a right or fair order of relationships. Some popular definitions of justice. Justice means to distribute the due share to everybody. Solomon, justice protect the right of the individual as well as the order of society. Dr. Raffel. Justice consists in a system of understandings and procedure through which is accorded what is agreed upon as fair. See Mariam. In other words, justice means securing and protecting of rights of all in a fair way. It stands for harmony among all the people, orderly living, and securing of rights of all in a justice and fair way. Key features of justice. Justice is related to mutual relationship of persons living in society. Justice is based on values and traditions of society. Justice is related to all aspects of human behavior in society. Laws are made and courts are set up with this aim in view. Aims of justice to provide equal rights, opportunities, and facilities to all in a fair way. The function of justice is to harmonize individual interest with the interest of society. Justice is a primary value and it is inseparably related to other values like liberty, equality, and property. Justice is a principle of balancing or reconciling human relations in society in such a way as enable each one to get its due rights towards and punishments. Justice has several dimensions: social justice, economic justice, political justice, and legal justice. Types of justice. Social justice. In contemporary times, a large number of scholars prefer to describe the concept of justice as social justice. Social justice is taken to mean that all the people in society are to be equal and there is to be no discrimination on the basis of religion, caste, creed, color, sex, or status. However, various scholars explain the concept of social justice in different ways. Some hold that social justice is to allot to each individual his or her due share in the social sphere. According to some others, distribution of social facilities and rights on the basis of law and justice constitutes social justice. What is social justice? Social justice is another name for equal social rights. Social justice aims to provide equal opportunities to every individual to develop his inherent qualities. Barker. By social justice, we mean ending all kinds of social inequalities and then to provide equal opportunities to everyone. as Gajendra Garg. Social democrats and modern liberal thinkers define social justice as an attempt to reconstruct the social order in accordance with moral principles. Attempts are to be continuously made to rectify social injustice. It also stands for a morally justice and defensible system of distribution of reward and obligation in society without any discrimination or injustice against any person or class of persons. In the Indian Constitution, several provisions have been provided with a view to secure social, economic and political justice. Undoubtedly has been constitutionally abolished. Every citizen has been granted an equal right of access to any public place of worship and use of places of entertainment. The state cannot discriminate between citizens on the basis of birth, caste, color, creed, sex, faith or title or status of any of these. Untouchably and apartheid are against the spirit of social justice. Absence of privileged classes in society is an essential attribute of social justice. Economic justice. Economic justice is indeed closely related to social justice because economic justice is always an integral part of the social system. Economic justice are opportunities available to an individual are always a part of the entire social system. Economic justice demands that all citizens should have adequate opportunities to earn their livelihood and get fair wages as can enable they to satisfy their basic needs and help them to develop further. The state should provide them economic security during illness, old age and in the event of disability. No person or group or class should be in a position to exploit others nor get exploited. There should be fair and equitable distribution of wealth and resources among all the people. The gap between the rich and the poor should not be glaring. The fruits of prosperity must reach all the people. There are present several different views regarding the meaning of economic justice. The liberal consider open competition as just and they support private property. On the other hand, the socialists seek to establish complete control of society upon the entire economic system. They oppose private property. Whatever be the ideology or the system, one thing is clear, and that is that all citizens must be provided with the basic necessities of life. All citizens must have their basic needs of life fulfilled. Political justice. Political justice means giving equal political rights and opportunities to all citizens to take part in the administration of the country. Citizens should have the right to vote without any discrimination on the basis of religion, color, caste, creed, sex, birth or status. Every citizen should have an equal right to vote and to contest elections. Legal justice has two dimensions, the formulation of just laws and the entry to justice according to the laws. While making laws, the will of the rulers is not imposed upon the ruled. Laws should be based on public opinion and public needs. Social values, morality conventions, the idea of justice and unjust must be always kept in view. When the laws do not meet the social values and rules of morality, citizens neither really accept nor abide by laws. In this situation, the enforcement of laws become a problem. Laws are just only when these are accepted not out of fear of external power, but when inspired by internal feeling for the law being good, just and reasonable. Legal justice means rule of law and not the role of any person. It includes two things, that all men are equal before law and that law is equally applicable to all. It provides legal security to all. Laws does not discriminate between the rich and the poor. Objective with due dispensation of justice by the courts of law is an essential ingredient of legal justice. Though justice has four dimensions, social justice, economic justice, political justice and legal justice. All these forms are totally interrelated and interdependent. Justice is real only when it exists in all these four dimensions. Without social and economic justice, there can be no real and political justice.